Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply free shipping auto when order price is equal or greater than specific value in cart page in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page, and then you see subtotal 170, and then you see shipping charges delivery fee $50. So we are going to apply free shipping when order amount is equal or greater than specific amount. Now go to Wix setting. Now you see multiple option, and then you see shipping delivery. So click on it, and then you see shipping region rest of the world. So click on edit. So we are going to charge $50 flat rate. Now you see region 3, scroll down. You see select how shipping is calculated flat rate, and we are going to charge $50, but we are going to set free shipping when order amount is equal or greater than value. Now you see offer free shipping when a customer buys over a certain amount. Now enable this option. So you can add amount according to requirement like $250, and then click on save, and then you see you have saved region 3. Now go to cart page or subtotal 170. Now refresh the page. Now you see we have two quantity. Now increase. We set 250, and then you see subtotal 425, and then you see delivery charges free, no fee, because order amount is 425 is greater than 250. We set in setting in Wix website. So you can add amount according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.